Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLume 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
As EVs start to flood the used car market, buyers are faced with a new set of challenges. The question on everyone's mind: what should I look for when buying a second-hand electric vehicle? Let's talk battery quality. According to Gail Broadbent, an electric vehicle researcher at the University of New South Wales, battery quality is the biggest concern used EV buyers have. But she also says used EVs typically have much better battery capacity than consumers expect. There's a big discrepancy between what people think and what the actuality is. Manufacturing warranties typically guarantee that an EV battery will retain at least 70% of its original charge over 8 to 10 years. Most cars outperform this warranty, but lab-based tests can give a different story. The way batteries are tested in real life is vastly different from how they're tested in labs. In real life, car manufacturers recommend keeping the battery somewhere between 20% and 80%. This keeps the battery in much better shape. But when it comes to used EVs, buyers often don't realize this. Vehicle-to-grid charging promises to save households money and get more value out of EV batteries. And with the rise of fast chargers like BYD's 5-minute charger, new technologies are emerging that will see a wider variety of EV technology in Australia. Kai Lee Lim, an EV researcher at the University of Queensland, says a range of factors can accelerate battery degradation, leading to some older EVs with notably reduced ranges. Anything that heats the battery can wear it down faster, including warmer climates, excessive fast charging, and frequently powering the battery up to full. But don't worry, more years of EV use and more research will generate clearer answers about how batteries degrade over time. If you're considering buying a used EV, Gail Broadbent says it's still important to check the battery health, because not everyone is kind to their car. Electric vehicles usually show estimates for the distance you can expect from a full battery charge, but these readouts aren't necessarily accurate. They often underestimate and sometimes overestimate the actual range. So, what should buyers look out for? It's time to put used EVs through the second-hand car market. Australia's annual lithium-ion battery waste is tipped to hit 137,000 tons by 2035 amid urgent calls for dedicated recycling facilities. And with more and more people looking at using their old batteries for other purposes, like home batteries, we need to understand battery lifetimes better so we can understand what the pathways are for second-hand vehicles. As we move forward in the world of EVs, one thing is clear. A robust second-hand car market of used EVs will make EVs more accessible to the general population. It's time for fleet uptakes and better standards for checking battery quality after they're no longer suitable for an EV. At Electro Drive News, we'll keep you up to date on all things electric vehicles. From new technologies to emerging trends, we'll cover it all. So, stay tuned for more updates and insights from the world of EVs.